thunderstorm warning for northwestern Whiteside and southeast.
Man, activate. Come on. You just not
The
gonna activate?
National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, eastern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, until 8 p.m. At 7:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fulton, or near Clinton, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source.
Yeah, I kind of expected that to go severe. Oh, that one just popped up right there. I can't get it though.
Locations impacted include
I don't get Freeport.
Leonard, Cheyenne, Chadwick, Argo, Fate, Thompson, Ideal, and Thompson Causeway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. This is NOAA Weather Radio KZZ 55 Dixon.